Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Emirul Nurramadhan Rusli with the NPM number 2206830435. I'm from Nafa Architecture and Marine Engineering batch 2022. And today I want to explain about my final exam, numeric method. Actually, this is like the answer of my final exam, and then I want to elaborate more about my answer in here. So first one is from Hadai. Hadai give us like a PDF that including some question and statement, and there is some statement from like military case, but for now maybe I will conclude the statement. Statement is about a new officer after completing the basic officer leadership course or BOLC is signed to join Vessel Louis McCord. VA colonel from the U.S. Army test and evaluation comment attack assigned the officer to a project and suspension system for the Rockwell Collins Satellite Transportable Terminal or STT, requiring knowledge of engineering design and differential equations. The officer joined in initiative group the task with the testing and analysis for HVAC engineers. As a mathematical consultant, the officer is a mathematical model for the city suspension system designed for harsh conditioning, Iraq and Afghanistan. So the officer must compare three stocks options. There is the eye cluster, cloud riders, and aftershocks. It's involved determining and comparing the critical damper value for its stocks and solving the spring mass system for both given and critically dampened values and plotting the results. Additionally, the officer must account for external force on the stocks, modeled by Ft equal 200 multiplied by sin 40 to solve the non-homogeneous equation and find the maximum and minimum displacement. The goal is to recommend the proper shocks to avoid damage to the satellite from frequency bottoming out. In summary, it's like the officer text is to analyze and compare the different suspension system for the SCT using a different equation and mathematical model, and also a numeric method for us. Okay. Now it's like from that question or from that problem that we can solve. Actually, I use like a day-5 method. Day-5 method is actually like continuous thinking tool. They actually call this like continuous thinking. It's best like they have a 4-step. The number one is attention. Actually, attention is referred to focus on goal behind a person thoughts and action. It's a mental statement that presents a commitment to carrying out the action and consider the specific item. And then there is initial thinking, and there is initiation and instruction. And then there's I'm including like the sort of expression about how is day-5 is it. And then maybe I will go further for the day-5 and application of the problem. And yeah, here's it. Number one is intention. Model analysis. Model analyze the suspension system of the Rockwell Collins Satellite Transportation Terminal or SAT to determine the best shock option for the rugged terrain while fighting the satellite damage. Actually, that is the intention of what we want to see in this case. But maybe I will explain about the specific components. And there is a several specific component. There's a like model the suspension system and determine critical damper value and the soft spring mass system, like discuss about the soft spring performance and avoid damage to the satellite and model rugged terrain. And the last one is we must analyze the performance. From this, by breaking down the intention into the specific component, the problem can be scoped and analyzed the requirement and become clear. And the second step is the initial. From the initial thinking, we can involve the understanding the problem context and the identifying the key components. There's like a two key component from my thoughts. The number one is like a problem content. The problem content is like the SSD is a combat-driven with transferable terminal design and to addresses security, voice, video, and data and communication. This is to such challenging condition and demanding operation. And the second one is the key components. There's like a 3 points from my thought. There is a number one is a suspension system. Suspension system is like critical to protect the satellite while it's loaded and transported. And the socks, there is like 3 socks that I actually I actually have said in the last part. It's like an air coaster, cold rider, and swim shocks. And there is an external forces. The external forces is like the external forces is on the subsequent system. It's modeled by the function. And they have the equal like FT. The equal is 200 sin equal multiplied by 40 and multiplied by 3, and which represent the force on the socks in the most affected terrain at the highest speed that the WV trailering STD will obtain. And the next one, the third step is visualization. In visualization, we involve to simplifying the problem by making a substitution and simplifying the system. Number one is assumption. Simplified substantive system. The substantive system is treated as a single shock. Evenly, this is the mass on the fraction and any forcing function on the suspension are evenly distributed. But the no friction is negligent. And the second one is simplified model. Substantive system is modeled using the different equal, like you can see from the screen, where the XD is the displacement from the best portion in matter, and M is representing the mass of the object and in kg, and the beta is representing the damping of content in N equal S and divided by M, and K is like the spring constant in Nm, and Ft is like the external force in newtons. And next is instruction. In here, the instruction is for the solving the problem using the intellectual model and analyze solve the different equation, like a solve the different equation for a shock option using the given initial condition and plot the solution. Number 2 is like compare shock performance. Compare the performance of each shock option in terms of the maximum and minimum displacement and discuss the shock performance in the long run. And the recommendation that you can give is like based on the analysis. It's a recommend to the best shock option for the SCP suspension system and expand the decision from the perspective of the satellite. And in here I put in the solution of the case that we gonna from the case that we wanted to solve, but actually it's not like the important thing, because I remember Padai already said that the solution is not like the final answer of everything. Most important is how we go step from the case and solving that problem. Next one, Padai give us like a short video from Elon Musk in YouTube, and like this video is a short video featuring Elon Musk being asked what a question he would ask an artificial general intelligence or AG, and Elon Musk is respond. It's brief and focus on existential influence regarding of the nature of humanity and the universe. Expresses and desire to understand the true of meaning of existence in our place in the cosmos. Now, actually, I want to remind you about what is actually uh, what is artificial intelligence or the artificial intelligence is refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and problem solve. This machine is computed as a forming task that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision making, and language translation. There are several types and levels of AI, each with different capabilities and application. There's a lot of function. For what I thought, there is a lot of function in AI, but with that a lot of function, AI can replace a human being because AI is not like it's not like it's not like our brain human. Our human brain is have like a humanity that AI doesn't have. And then from that question, from like what Elon Musk went to question into the I think it's not like the question that the AI can solve because AI doesn't have a thinking and humanity like us. And what is what is what is the Elon Musk? Elon Musk want to know is about what is the meaning of a sentence and our present cosmos. Actually, the meaning of existence and our place in the cosmos is like it's not like the question that actually we can answer for me because for me this question is like the only question and the question that only God can know what is the answer. And if a human doesn't know what to answer, then yeah, I think the AI cannot answer the question. But maybe AI will be answer, but they will be answer with like computer answer, and it doesn't mean anything for the real answer. So yeah, the AI is I think the AI is cannot answer what is on my questioning. So next, yeah, that's all from me. But what I think in my final exam and what are my answer in final exam, and also the part of that I want to elaborate my answer in a final exam. Sorry for if there are any mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.